Morning guys, fishing tayo. Dito tayo ngayon sa Margate banda sa Drew Point. Mag-fishing tayo. Hinintay ko lang yung mga mates ko. Sana nandito na. I hope they're here already. I'm just gonna prepare the boat while I'm waiting for them. Okay, where are they? They're still not here. Alright, we'll check the boat trunk first before we're gonna go. It looks really nice. It's not the high tide, still low tides. Not like before when I came down here, it was like really high tide. But the water is really nice. It looks glassy in there. It's really nice. Yan o guys, oh. Kung sa atin pa yan, kukunin na yan. Daming oysters. Kaya lang madumi yung sa gilid. Malinis naman kung kumpara sa Pilipinas. Dito sa Australia malinis yan. Kaya lang syempre mga tao ayaw kumuha niyan basta nasa mga boat ramp. Ang lalaki pa. Yan. Ang ganda guys. Napakaganda. Yun, no? Malalim para yung jetty nito. Tingnan natin kung may isda sa ilalim. Walang isda. Wow, ang ganda. Alright, excited na ako. Let's get the boat ready. Si Roy. Hey pre, morning.
Pare, always good to see you. Kasi pag wala siya guys, doon ako sa jetty lang.
Ay mga rad mo pre nasa car.
Okay pre. Ito pala yung pagkain ko rito.
Ah, sige, sige.
Bumili ako nung yung nahulog pa sa
Ah, oo. Dapat naka na siya, naka-screw pre. Dapat hindi ganyan yung binili mo.
Meron siyang
Rail blazer na lang dapat. Mas maganda yung rail blazer.
walang wala siyang rail. Ang meron lang silang rail blazer na nandoon.
Hindi sa BCF.
Sa BCF nga, walang stock.
Oo.
Meron lang na nandoon yung mismong rail. So yun ang kinuha ko.
Dapat rail
Hindi
blazer.
ko maparesa
O kaya
ng
sa ano, dyan sa Memuna, sa Whitworths. Meron sila dyan. Sa Whitworths.
Anong pangalan? Whitworths?
Oo. Whitworths pre, mga boating ano yan. Huwag yan, ano lang yan, malalaglag yan. Dapat rail blazer, i-screw mo yun.
Matapos summer pre, magkayak tayo.
Magkakayat tayo. Magkayat daw, magkayat. Ayusin ko muna itong boat. Unahin ko muna itong strap, tanggalin. Tanggalin natin yung strap. Para ready na. So two strap. I'm gonna buy a decent strap for it. Probably mounted one in here, the transom. Tapos tanggalin natin to. Yun. Wala pa si Cameron tsaka si Marlon. Wala pa yung kasama naming dalawa. Tulog pa yata.
Muna tayo pre.
Sige, sige. Yan na, dami ng boat oh.
Cameron yung first time ko nakasama ano.
Guys, yung isa pang kasama. Morning pre.
Basta.
Musta?
May nasagasaan akong ano doon.
Ano? Wallaby?
Oh, yung patay na ng wallaby.
Sira.
Hindi, walang sira naman.
Okay lang yan.
Walang yan.
Nasa ilalim lang yun.
Kasi may lumusot sa akin na 2 kotse. Pag kinat ako ang ganon, pag ganon ko, hindi ko nakita yung wallaby ng patay na. Nakasagasaan ko pa rin.
Ito pala si ano pre, si Roy. Marlon.
Oh, masa?
Basta.
Nihintay pa natin yung isa natin kasama.
Marlon.
Dito na.
Naka-short kayo?
Oo. Sanay na ako eh. Lamig.
So ano ang, yung life vest?
Ano dyan? Ano like this?
Dinala ko pa rin yung ito?
Oo.
Dinala ko pa rin yung akin eh.
Ah.
Paano to?
So, si ano mo lang, yan o.
Ganyan?
Oo.
Oh.
Parang damit lang, ganito. Ayan. Tapos pag ito manual to. So kung hindi mo naman kailangan i-inflate, hindi mo na kailangan, pero kung nag-struggle ka hilahin mo lang yung yellow.
Okay.
Huwag mong hilahin to, itong yellow ha, yellow lagi.
Pag i-inflate mo na?
Pag i-inflate mo na, kung kailangan mo. Inflate mo na. Yan.
Tatanggalin ko pa ya.
Malamig pa, mamaya mo na, mamaya mo tanggalin. Tapos i-ano mo lang to.
Kamusta na yung movie mo?
Nandun pa rin. Nandun pa rin.
I-adjust mo lang to, kung masikip masyado, adjust mo lang dito. Masakit ba?
Okay lang.
What's up, Mike? This is
Hi there. Hi,
Cameron.
Yeah.
Roy.
Right.
Yeah. Alright. Hang on. Sige guys, we're ready.
Yeah.
So ayan guys,
Come on.
double hookup. Okay, we wait for you guys. We wait for you guys. You cast. Fuck, you went far.
Yeah, I'll let the drag out.
Look the size of it.
That's a good one.
So this is a good squid, mate. I think I'm under the net. This mate. This one here. I don't want to lift it up.
Yeah, they're good. And Cameron got one as well.
Yep. Double net. So here we go guys, double net up. I scoop the arm first and then I will scoop up. Come.
Not big.
Yep.
Nice.
2 squid in a row.
It's better to land that way, so we don't get squirt. Sometimes it can be better. Yeah.
So ayan guys, we got squid.
Sometimes it can be shit too.
Side.
Did you land both of them already? Yeah.
So ayan.
They can squirt how much they want.
Teka pre.
Oh shit, sorry.
You're right. Yep.
How many now? I got 4.
I don't know.
4?
4 I think.
I've got 1.
4 or 5.
Yeah, I was the one who caught the first one and then that's it. That's because he's rusty and not enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Timo.
Yeah, nice.
But I broke it. This one, so I reviewed it.
Yep.
So this one can adjust no more. It's just permanent one.
Yep.
Yeah. But it's still good.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And deep too.
And it's deep.
Yeah. Wala kang lagyan sa papadhangan mo yan.
Dito ko lang lalagay ito.
Kasi basa na eh.
Nah, that's fine.
I thought I got one.
Maybe you got one. Now you got
Uy.
weed. Alright guys, double hook up. Ayan guys, si Marlon nakahook.
Nasaan yung ano? Yung
Yung net.
oh.
Net. So we gonna net this one. Yeah. It's big. So ayan, in-net natin.
Wow.
It's big. Up, lift it up. Not in the face.
Oh.
No, you need to face that side when you
Okay.
bring it. It's a big one, mate.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Take a photo muna para mayroon ka remembrance.
Wala akong ano.
Dito, take a photo from my GoPro.
Okay.
You hold this one don't hold it from there, so it's lifted up. Hang on guys, I'm gonna take a photo. Yeah, just leave it, let's leave it. I'm gonna hook one. Fuck, where's mine?
It's over there, just right behind.
Where?
Right behind the Camerons.
Just in here in the cloud.
Yeah.
Shit, this
On the
is
edge
big.
of the cloud.
Yep,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
it. Yep.
Yeah, the hook up.
Wow!
Hang on guys, hang on guys, hang on. Because
Triple hookup.
People who
nah, I didn't get him.
And run
Shit,
in
they're
the
big!
Ah, miss
The
one.
bloody net.
Net, net.
Just back over here, Ronnie. Chuck it back over
Yeah,
there.
wait.
Akin na, idalan ko yung ano, basta akin na yung net muna. Ang ilan mo.
That's a good spot.
Hang on.
Oh, I got it right here. There's no more ink here.
Ayan guys, triple hookup.
People hook up.
Uy,
Oh.
lift it up. Release your tension. Tension. Yep, I got one as well.
Oh, okay na.
Hang on.
More hook up. Oh, shit, nice. Nice. That's nice.
Oh,
for the
big
video.
one.
Unhook.
Unhook guys, because I'm big.
And get more.
Paano, kuy?
Awesome bite.
I got it.
Sorry, come on.
Sorry mate, sorry guys.
You know what?
Oh.
Oh, big one this one.
Huwag mong bibitawan yung ano, yung net. Ano yun?
Oh no, I'm not gonna let go.
Oh, that's right.
No. Oh, this one is big.
They are big.
This one is huge. Oh, mine is big. Oh shit. Yes, huge.
Bloody hell, that's the biggest.
We need to take 4 of us squid
Yeah.
a photo.
Later.
Wait.
Sige,
Ano ko muna yung sa'yo?
ano ko muna to. Ano ko, well, guys, we got 4 squid here. We got like 4 hookups, and Cameron hooked straight away as well for 5 times,
5.
and that's a big one as well. Pre, sorry.
Our max is
Come on, pre.
Then we'll chase for kings after.
Wow! Oh shit! Wait.
Big one.
Don't lose the other one.
Ah! Ah! Oh, this is heavy now.
Baka mabali rin yun.
Hang on, maybe I gonna broke the net. Oh, look at this, guys. Bucket na lang yung bucket.
Bakit?
Bucket is full already. There's nothing on the bucket?
Oh, only the octopus.
Ah, that's fine.
Fucking hell.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay, guys, let's take a photo first. Hold it together.
Okay.
Hang on. I'll put this one here. Guys, 4 na naman. 4 na malalaki. Ayan. Ayan.
Wow.
Ito, malaki din. They're all good size.
It is in my tree.
Is it?
The 3.
Just on the top. I don't think it went in.
It's alright, a little bit of flavor. Squid flavor. Yeah, new energy drink now. New flavor. Check this out. Squid ink. Good for your health. It makes you black.
Like us.
Yeah.
Once you go black, you never go back.
Sorry. Iron pot?
Lion pot.
Iron pot. Sa lighthouse. Lighthouse sa Darwin. Okay ba, pre?
Lighthouse Derwin.
Okay ba fishing, pre? Nag-enjoy ba?
Okay, enjoy.
Enjoy talaga eh. Nakabag limit pa. Opposite. Tinang pencil lure.
Not much.
Na